Industrial epoxy flooring is a high-performance surface solution built for demanding commercial and industrial environments. Formed by combining resin and hardeners, it creates a seamless, ultra-durable layer over concrete that resists heavy machinery, constant foot traffic, chemical exposure, and abrasion. Commonly used in warehouses, manufacturing plants, and distribution centers, epoxy flooring protects the underlying surface while improving workplace safety with slip-resistant textures and high-visibility finishes. Its smooth, non-porous surface makes cleaning efficient and helps maintain strict hygiene standards. Over time, industrial epoxy flooring stands out as a reliable, long-term investment, delivering durability, efficiency, and a clean professional appearance in a high-performance setting.